Ooh, you know what else I've been working on? Speaking of being pulled in a bunch of different directions.
Yeah, what's up?
I finally got under my car and started doing a little
Oh,
tinkering. I started
yeah.
replacing some brake lines.
Brake lines. The
Yeah.
whole line? Front to back or
Yeah,
parts of it?
so the way my car is set up is there's an ABS hub at the front,
Yeah.
and then there's two lines that come off that, one for the left front tire, one for the right front tire. Then there's a third line that goes under the car all the way to the back and then tees and then goes to the two rear wheels.
Oh.
So that line is very complicated. There's like 5 or 6 junctions in it.
Yeah.
And so I'm going to replace it with a single solid run that goes back with less junctions.
My first truck, I loved it. Don't get
Yeah.
me wrong. I loved it, but it had its problems. And one of the problems it had was I kept a bottle of brake fluid behind this front seat because it
Leaky
just
brake line.
leaked brake fluid all the time. Yeah, I would get somewhere and I feel my brakes getting spongy.
Yeah.
Pull over, pop the hood, pop that cap off, top it off, put the cap back on. But yeah, it was like a constant battle. I never went through and replaced any lines or anything. I just kind of like kept topping off that little brake line.
Brake lines are tough in that they come in like a roll. It's like a metal tube you get in a roll, and you have to flare and crimp the ends of it and make your connections. Usually. But the way I'm doing it is I'm actually running like a flexible braided steel hose from the back, because you have to get like special tools in order to make the brake line connections. It's not something you really want to attempt as an amateur.
I would get it,
Especially when the consequence of messing up is, you drive into a pole or off the side of the road or something like that.
Brakes just don't work anymore.
Yeah. But one thing that I realized about working on cars versus working in woodworking is like, working on cars is just so much more pain. Nothing works the way you want it to work. You know what I mean? Like, you can see the bolt, and you're like, okay, I need to undo that bolt, but it's covered in rust. So you can kind of like half get the tool on it, but then as soon as you go to apply any torque, it like slips out. It's just, the job is easy theoretically. Like, you just have to undo a couple bolts and replace things, but it's always way harder than it needs to be.
Or you can move the wrench about this much.
Yeah. Yeah, that happens to
You
me.
just gotta like wiggle it back and forth.
Yes. Well, like an eighth of a turn at a time, right?
Yes. Yes.